looks crow's nest.
So I gotta go tell him I checked it on the hub.
Go ahead. Good morning, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
Okay, so the shrimp and grits, that cheese as well? You put cheese in the grits?
If you want, I can add cheese.
Okay. I would like the one order of the shrimp and grits and 2 poached eggs, just the eggs, not the other additional stuff.
No sauce, no biscuits, nothing.
No. Shrimp and grits, 2 poached eggs. That's it. That's it. Thank you. The friendly staff.
So just confirm the order, sir. You have 1 shrimp and grits with a cheese and only 1 poached eggs. Yeah?
2 poached eggs.
It comes 2, sir.
Right, okay. It's confusing.
Just need your signature.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. That it?
Yes.
That's it. Okay,
You can
thank
sit
you.
anywhere that you like, sir.
What's that?
You can sit anywhere.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, perfect. No poached egg? Oh, okay. Thank you, Anthony.
Enjoy your break.
Okay, thank you. There you go. There's the shrimp and the grits. Now we'll just wait for the poached eggs. Poached eggs. Thank you very much. Thank you. So now we'll just put the eggs on top of the grits. Oh, look at that. Didn't break that one. Didn't break that one. And there you go. Best breakfast you can get on the celebration right here. There's Emerils, cheesy grits, sausage, and shrimp with poached eggs on top. Thank you for watching. Now I'll enjoy.